12 Unique Bathroom Designs. Super creative. The bathroom is part of a residence which usually has a small portion of space but plays an important role. If in one day an average person goes to the bathroom 6 to 8 times per day, in 1 year you visit your bathroom up to 2,500 times. If in one bathroom you spend an average of 5 to 10 minutes, imagine how much time you spend in the bathroom. So, it's no wonder that many people put more effort into the bathroom design they have. Not only comfortable, many also dare to experiment with bathroom designs to create many unique bathroom designs. Given the fact that on average more than 50% of people think of ideas and what they need to do that day in the bathroom, of course unique bathroom designs can stimulate creative thinking while in the bathroom. Are you also interested in bringing a unique bathroom to your residence? Come on, look at the following 12 unique bathroom design inspirations that might be implemented in your home. 1. Unique bathroom with mosaic. Mosaic ceramics or stones arranged in a mosaic may already be familiar to be used as bathroom decorations. But this will be unique if you arrange the mosaic ceramic crafts to form a certain pattern or image. This unique bathroom with wave mosaic tiles is an example. Combining various types of ceramics and arranging them in attractive shapes not only makes your unique bathroom stand out but also more dynamic. Also try experimenting with different combinations of materials to create mosaic patterns such as natural stone, ceramic shards and mirrors. 2. Unique bathroom with garden. Bathrooms are usually closed to maintain a sense of comfort and a level of privacy. However, this does not apply to this unique bathroom that is open and has a garden. By providing vegetation and open space, air circulation will certainly make your bathing activities more refreshing. With a combination of natural stone, open space garden to vertical garden or hanging garden, of course you will get a different shower experience in this unique bathroom. 3. Lotus bathroom. If open gardens are still less unique, how about presenting the bathroom in the middle of a lotus pond? By combining the lotus pond around the bathroom with wood material, you will get maximum peace while spending time relaxing in the bathroom. For additional furniture, you can use minimalist furniture made of wood and also handcrafted furniture with color tones that are close to or resemble earthy colors. 4. Unique futuristic bathroom. For a modern residence, a unique futuristic bathroom concept might be suitable. Even though it looks simple, a unique bathroom with a futuristic concept can make a residence more elegant and luxurious, you know. You can create a futuristic nuance in your unique bathroom with dynamic angles and monochrome colors. For bathroom equipment, such as a sink, bathtub, or closet, use a minimalist model with aerodynamic shapes to make the futuristic look stand out. 5. Stone bathroom. For those of you who want to bring a natural impression to the bathroom but don't want to be as open as a unique bathroom with a garden, you can use stone materials as your unique bathroom decoration. By combining a stone bathroom with raw exposed wood material, you can bring a rustic impression to your unique bathroom. This can give you a feeling of warmth when you enjoy relaxing soaking in the bathroom. 6. Bathroom with unique colors. The bathroom is identical with clean white or other conventional colors. In fact, if you dare to experiment with colors, you can turn a simple bathroom into a unique bathroom with an outstanding design. Applying dynamic colors such as yellow, red, or bright green with an interesting pattern not only makes the bathroom more unique, but also gives a different breath and a more lively atmosphere when you shower, you know. Pop art decorations and decorations can also give a different color to your unique bathroom, you know. 7. Unique all-black bathroom. Apart from bright colors, you can give a different impression to your bathroom with the all-black concept. Giving the dominant black color, in fact, can bring the impression of luxury and elegance and also a mysterious atmosphere. In feng shui, the color black is believed to symbolize deep water and universal emptiness. With a minimalist design with an all-black application, you can add depth, strength, and definition to any space. 8. Unique black and gold bathroom. To bring black to a high level in your unique bathroom, you can combine it with metallic colors, especially gold. Not only luxurious, this color combination gives a classic impression. Also complete the black and gold bathroom that you have with a variety of classic gold nuanced furniture such as crystal chandeliers to candeliers. 9. Bathroom mirror. The mirror is one of the mandatory items that complements the function of the bathroom. But what if you use a mirror not only in the dressing area but in all parts of the bathroom? This not only gives you a different feel when you shower but also makes your unique bathroom feel more spacious. To enhance your unique full mirror bathroom, use complementary furniture with metallic or reflective materials. Pure white color can also be the right choice as a complement. 10. Unique industrial bathroom with pipes. If usually the presence of pipes in a bathroom is hidden, it turns out that exposing the pipes and making them a decorative element can make your bathroom not only unique but also aesthetically pleasing. This unique bathroom is the right choice for those of you who want to present an industrial concept to your home. Make sure the pipe you use is not an ordinary pipe, because this pipe will be a decorative element in your bathroom. For a simple method, you can paint pipes with metal colors such as copper or brass. For maximum results, don't hesitate to expose other raw materials in your bathroom and also use metal furniture to complete your bathroom needs. 11. 3D bathroom. Have you ever imagined what it's like to bathe in the middle of the ocean? You can make this happen without having to spend a lot of money by building a house in the middle of the sea, you know. By applying the 3D art concept, you can give a real decoration as if you are in the middle of the ocean. You can make it look like you are bathing in the middle of the ocean with fish swimming under your feet with this 3D bathroom. You can also create it by applying a 3D concept to a wall or other part of your unique bathroom. Avoid using large furniture to maximize the 3D art results you have. See-through materials also really help bring your 3D concept to life. 12. Rooftop bathroom. The bathroom does not always have to be in a closed room. As long as you can maintain privacy, there's nothing wrong with making a bathroom with an open concept. Like by presenting a unique bathroom on the roof of the house that you have. Because of the height, of course you can still get privacy while enjoying your personal time in the bath. Especially if you are in an area with interesting views or cityscapes, a unique bathroom on the roof or rooftop can be an escape to find refreshing calm after a busy day. If you are still worried about your privacy, you can add a little bit of plants to shading with a wooden grid or rooster on certain sides. Although it is often considered a less important part than the main room such as the bedroom, playing with bathroom designs can actually help liven up the atmosphere of the home.